Hello friends, welcome to KSP Academy. Last class we discussed class 2, the fundamental we discussed. Now we will switch on to that how to identify the correlators. How to identify the correlators. That means it is square or not. What are the conditions? It becomes a square. What are the conditions? Make rectangle. All these things we will discuss. Let us in that correlators there are number one correlator is famous. It is a square. So basically correlator is nothing but the thing which are consisting of four diagonals, four sides. It's nothing but a correlator. So what is the square? Let us draw the square. I am drawing the square. Let us into the square. Let us AB having CD. This is a square. In between we have a diagonal. The diagonal is D1 diagonal. The distance between here it is D1. The distance between here and D2, we have a midpoint here, that's called a mid. So D1 diagonal is a D2 diagonal. What is the condition to get square? So square you are having it's 90 degrees, all are 90. So what is the condition for square? Square means all sides are same. First condition AB, BC and CD and CD and A is AB, BC, CD and DA. Nothing but AD. All are same. All sides will be same. Distance is same. Next opposite angles. Opposite angles is 180 degrees. Sum of opposite angles is 180. When each angle is 90, it's fixed. Each angle is 90. Next diagonals are intersected at same point. Otherwise diagonals will be same. D1 is equal to D2. Diagonals intersecting of A. What I can say? Just I should say intersecting A, B, C, D. Right? The diagonal intersecting AC and AC midpoint better. AC midpoint is equal to BD midpoint. Are same. AC midpoint and BC midpoint are both are same. This is what a square thing. Sides same. Opposite angles are sum 180. Each angle 190. D1, D2 or their diagonals will be same. AC midpoint is same. This is a square model. Now after immediately switch on to that here, a rhombus. Our co-friend is rhombus. Rhombus. RH is rhombus. So here what is going to happen is just I should draw rhombus. The rhombus should be like this. We have ABCD point over here. ABCD angle over here. What is the condition? We have to know the D1 and D2. This is the D1 diagonal. This is the D2 diagonal. Here the rhombus things is very little simple. All are same. Here some mode AB and BC and CD and DA. All distances are same. Opposite angles should not be sum is 180. There is no requirement of all opposite sides no 180. Opposite sides are not 180. Next, each angle should not be 90. Here it is D1 is not equal to D2. Diagonal length should not be same. Here diagonal length same. Diagonal length should not be same. The square becomes a rhombus. If diagonals are length are not same, the square becomes a rhombus. Next, AC midpoint, BC midpoint should not be same. AC midpoint, BC midpoint should not be same. AC midpoint is not equal to BD midpoint. This is not same. So we can say simply in the square diagonals are not equal. It becomes directly rhombus. It's very clear. Go to the third question, rectangle. Go to the rectangle. Let us draw rectangle symbol. Let us have ABCD. In the case each angle is 90. We have a diagonals D1 and D2. So here conditions for rectangle is opposite sides will be same. So AB and CD opposite sides will be same, and BC and AD opposite sides same. Opposite sides are same distances. Next, each angle 90 degrees. Next D1 is equal to D2, it's fixed. Next, sum of opposites 180. That is also same. Sum of opposites is 180. That is a very simple diagonal. Next, midpoint also. Midpoint AC midpoint and BD midpoint. Both are same. Midpoints will be same. That's for rectangle. So this is the case. Then go for fourth one. This is called as fourth one. What is this one? Quadrilateral. This is one type of quadrilateral. One type of quadrilateral. What is this called as? ABCD. For this quadrilateral, what you have to do is this it should look like a rectangle. It is not a rectangle. It's called quadrilateral. You can see in the quadrilateral types. So in this, what you have to do is, so here it is. What is going to happening is that all opposite sides will be same. Here also condition. AB and CD same, BC and AD same. Have you clear it is? Opposite sides will be same. This is the same. Opposite sides will be same. But here diagonal should not be equal. D1 and D2. Condition is D1 is not equal to D2. When moment D1 is not equal to D2, it comes to the concept of fourth concept. It is there. It is not a rectangle. Next, we go for this last one is trapezium. First one is trapezium. Trapezium simple. The logic is very simple. The quadrilaterals which are having all four sides will be different. Sometimes these strands will be same. We are not yet sure. All four sides are different. So AB, CD. So AB not equal to BC, not equal to CD, not equal to DA. All should not be same. All are different. Concept is what? Opposite sides should be parallel. AB slope and CD slope will be same. AB slope is equal to CD slope. It means both are parallel. And AB parallel to CD. This is considered trapezium. All cases, sum of four will be 1 year. What I can say 360 degrees. It will be clear it is. This is a quadrilateral identification it is there. Clear it is? 1, 2, 3, 4 session, it's a trapezium. Sometimes triangle they are asking. Triangle don't need to worry about that. I think you are very good with the triangles. Triangles means equilateral triangle. All sides are same. Each angle 60. Next, isosceles triangle. Two sides are same. Next, scalar triangle. All are different. All three sides are different. Three angles are different. These are three triangles. You can easily identify a triangle. There is no question on that. I hope very clear it is. So this is a way to justify it is rhombus, it is rectangle, it is square. The people will mention in the coordinate geometry, will give points A, B, C, D. Distance calculate, then diagonals. Distance calculate, then diagonals we calculate it is. D1, D2, A, B, C defined, then you start justify. If all are same, the diagonals will be same, square. If all are same, diagonals is not equal, it is a rhombus. If opposites length will be same, diagonals should be same, automatically it will be a rectangle. If diagonals should be not same, it's going to come to other coordinates. Am I clear it is? Next, if all sides will be different, if slope of these two things will be same, we can say that's considered trapezium. This is the way we can identify that the justification of quadrilateral identification. Thanks for watching. With this concept, this chapter will close. We'll continue that in the next chapter with good videos. Thanks for watching. Keep continuing.